In today's video, we're going to be showing you how to get a substring in Python. Now, this is probably the easiest method you can use because Python treats strings as lists, so we can use a slice. All you have to do is you take your string. I have mine stored in the word original string or the variable original string, and then you do square brackets, and then these are the most important pieces. You have a starting position, ending position, and how many things to step through at a time. So uh, let's just say I want to grab everything from 0 to 4, stepping every one character. We can start at 0, we've got V, all the way up to 4, ending at T, and we stepped over one character at a time. Now, this is an extremely useful tool that lets you get substrings. If you know the positions, it's great because you can get any substring you want based on the positions alone. And one kind of cool thing you can do with that is you can reverse it by doing something like that. No start, no stop, -1 tells it you want to reverse it or to read it through it backwards. Or what you can do too is, for whatever reason, if you say, I want to grab everything from 0 to 10, but I only want every other character for whatever reason, you can do that too. From 0 to 10, every other character, or every two characters. And that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe for more content like this.